Get ready for Dai Dai, The Sound of One World, a brand new Netflix-style documentary trailer from NextGen Stories. Before we dive in, let's set the stage. Our world is vast and filled with billions of people. Imagine a black screen, a sound of a distant stadium crowd. Then, a single heartbeat that grows louder, commanding your attention. There are more than 8 billion people on Earth. Different languages, different cultures, different dreams. Yet every 4 years, for 90 minutes, the world becomes one team, one heartbeat, one voice. And sometimes, that voice becomes a song. Welcome to Chapter 1, The Language of Football. Where does the universal appeal of this sport truly begin? We see children playing football across continents, from the dusty streets of Brazil and Nigeria to the villages of India and Japan. Before football became a billion-dollar industry, it belonged to the streets. Football became the only language that never needed translation, because joy sounds the same everywhere. Chapter 2, A New Anthem. Football's greatest stage always had a voice connected to it. Archive-style footage of massive crowds singing, global concerts, and fans waving flags reminds us of the icons of the past. For decades, one voice became connected with football's biggest stage. But every generation needs a new anthem, a new sound, a new story. Chapter 3, Africa meets Latin America. Discover the connection between two rhythmic powerhouses. We explore the Lagos skyline and Colombian coastline. Visuals of drummers, dancers, and cultural festivals show continents built on rhythm and passion. Africa gave the world Afrobeats. Latin America gave the world Latin Pop. And when those worlds collided, something extraordinary happened. Not just music, a movement. Chapter 4, The Birth of an Anthem. How do you start writing music for billions of people? See the late-night creative sessions in recording studios, featuring musicians, producers, microphones, and headphones. Every anthem begins with a question. The answer wasn't words. The answer was emotion. Because excitement doesn't need translation. Hope doesn't need subtitles. And victory doesn't need explanation. Chapter 5, The Players and the Fans. The connection between the pitch and the crowd is unbreakable. We capture the intensity of football stars training, slow-motion goals, and crowd celebrations. Then, the focus shifts to a child, watching, dreaming, and believing. The world's greatest players carry more than talent. They carry nations. Entire countries place their hopes on their shoulders. Every pass, every shot, every moment. History waits. In the final chapter, we reveal the culmination of this global connection. Dai Dai, a montage of humanity, football, music, and celebration takes us from the ground to the earth from space. Crowds sing together, erasing borders. This is not just an anthem. This is our story. A reminder that despite our differences, we are connected by hope, by dreams, by passion, by humanity. This is Dai Dai Dai.